How to autofill from Chrome extension. Everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device, then log into your account. Go to search bar and search Web Store. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Chrome Web Store. Then click on Search Extension and Themes and search Autofill. You'll find all these autofill extension options. Click on the first one that pops up. Then click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. As you can see, it is being added. Now, click on the puzzle-like option on top beside search bar, which is extension, and pin the extension. Again, click on that and click on three dots. Go to Manage Extension. Make sure it's turned on. Go all the way down and make sure Pin to Toolbar is turned on and allow this extension to all sides is turned on. Then open any website that you want to log into. If you log in to your Instagram account, second time you log in, you don't need to do anything. Simply click on extension option and it will autofill. And that's how you autofill Chrome extension. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.